In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up footer in Shopify 2025 updated tutorial. First, log in to your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open Online Store, then go to Themes. On your current theme, open the Theme Editor. This is where you'll design the look and content of your store, including the footer. If you have multiple themes, make sure you're editing the one that's live or the one you plan to publish. Inside the theme editor, use the left panel to locate the footer section. If you don't see it immediately, scroll to the bottom of the page preview or select it from the section list. Opening the footer lets you add, remove, and arrange the content blocks customers see at the bottom of every page. Add an email sign-up block to capture newsletter subscribers directly from the footer. Give it a clear heading and short description so visitors understand what they'll receive. Keep the copy concise, and remember that collecting emails here helps you grow an owned audience you can reach during promotions or product launches. Next, add a custom liquid block. This is perfect for advanced snippets, simple badges, or light custom content your theme doesn't include by default. If you're comfortable with basic HTML or liquid, you can embed trust badges, a tiny note, or an app snippet your provider gives you. Keep it minimal to avoid clutter, and ensure it still looks great on mobile. If your theme or installed apps provide footer widgets, open the Apps option within the footer section. From here, you can surface app-powered elements, such as reviews badges or special compliance notices. Only enable what adds value and preview how it appears in both desktop and mobile views. Open the footer's additional settings and select brand information. This area typically lets you show a small logo or name and a brief brand description. Keep the text on brand and helpful. Think 1 or 2 lines that reinforce who you are and why customers can trust you. Add a text block for details like a support blurb, a short tagline, or store hours if appropriate. Make sure the tone matches your brand voice and that the content is easy to scan at a glance. Then add an image block. This is useful for a small logo, partner mark, or payment icon image set. Upload or select a clean, high-resolution image and check that it remains legible at smaller sizes. Finally, arrange your footer blocks in the left panel to control the order they appear. Preview the changes, confirm everything looks consistent on mobile, and click Save. That's it. Your Shopify footer is set up, polished, and ready to support your brand across the entire site.